And then if you want to snake a drain, that's number 3.
We'll cross that bridge when we get to it.
Okay. So, his sink doesn't drain very fast. We're gonna clean it out.
So it's gonna be so gross. Oh my gosh.
That little bit of hair is not the only thing stopping all that water.
Dang.
There's more of a clog further in there, but you don't have the right tools. There's water in there?
Yeah.
How much?
Like an inch.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Do you have a snake? There's still water up there, so there's something clogged up in here, I'm assuming. So we're gonna clean that out, and he's gonna go get wire because he's an electrician and doesn't have a snake. But he's got wire. So we're gonna fish some wire in there and clean it out. Are you gonna shove some wire in there?
Alright, so we don't have a snake, but we have some Romex. And I'm gonna give it our best shot. Wrench pliers.
We're down here working.
Working? Oh, that's the flashlight.
Okay, now we can pull this thing out. Yummy. You can see all his hair.
Oh.
You can't see it, it's not.
Is it bad? It's bad, huh?
Yeah, it is bad, but
Dang, cool.
you can't see it in a video.
I was wondering where that hair went.
We're gonna clean that out. Whoa. Bro, that's so
You need
much.
to take the P-trap back off?
Yeah, I'm gonna. Ooh.
It's real bad, huh? Okay, bad.
I'm gonna push it down.
Oh my gosh, YouTuber's exposed.
There we go.
Oh, that was it! That was it! Oh! Oh, that was it! That was it! Oh! No! 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 Cool!
I told you it was a lot.
That's so bad.
Yeah.
The problem, the life struggles of having long hair.
Yeah, so.
No. We need a viewer discretion as advised before that scene. Alright, hopefully that was the problem.
Just as it was. Yum!
Can we just wash it down the sink real quick?
Bro. See, this water is way grosser than the toilet water that you were afraid of.
I guess.
It is. It's sewer water. That was like clean water.
Sewer water?
This is sewer water.
This is clean water.
No.
It's coming from the sink.
This is more sewer water than the other water.
Okay.
That's drained. That was like literally like supply. It was potable, probably. I don't know.
Alright, that's all I'm doing.
Alright.
I'll dump this in the backyard.
Okay. Now we just put it back together. Do you want this plug back in there? Probably it would be good. Boom. Done. Now we check for leaks. Is it leaking?
Oops.
Oops.